Just love it, works like butter, mukhan hai. Highly recommended for people with multiple computers at same table or room. Nice for alternative keyboard. Easy to install and use. Simultaneously working with 3 devices by rotating switch. Windows PC and MacBook, Samsung tablet. Battery indicator with power on off button. Status indicators powered by 2 AAA batteries. Slightly heavy. It is a very good build. Works perfect with all devices. It is very easy to use. Thanks a lot Logitech. Also, I expect it to be somewhat smaller, but it is perfect size and it really worked for me. It is as good as normal keyboard with more portability. I must say, it is value for your hard-earned money. To be honest, this keyboard worked better than my expectations. Very easy to connect with devices. I'm using this keyboard to post this review. I'm using this keyboard for my Samsung Tab A10 2019 edition and it works perfectly. I was worried after reading negative reviews, but thank God this device is nothing like those people described it in their comments. You won't get anything better in this price range. Each and every button on this keyboard works as it should be. No lag at all. You can even take screenshot by pressing button on keyboard, and moreover you can increase or decrease volume by using buttons, so you don't have to touch on tablet anymore, just use your keyboard to make it happen. A little bulky. Works fine with my iPad. I can simultaneously connect pencil and the keyboard, which is great, as I did not find the Apple's keyboard very user-friendly. The Bluetooth feature eases the use and the slot provided is perfect with anti-slip grip. Removable AAA batteries. Again, ease of use is good. Only con, it's a little bulky, not with screen but definitely with a tablet or iPad. It's awesome keyboard. Highly recommended to buy this keyboard. Quality is good, keys are nice, pairing is fast, excellent product. Wow! Awesome product for all platform like Android, Windows and Apple iOS. This is an awesome product. Wait. Easily paired with all my devices. Loving the look and feel of typing on it. Finally, I can do long form typing on my tablet. Really happy with it. Pairs fast, switches really quick between devices. Love the all-white keyboard, works well with both Android and iOS. Shortcut keys are cool, good for blogging, writing, browsing, chatting, multitasking, basically problems. A bit noisy. Keys are clicky. On/off button is at the bottom, which be awesome keyboard. I am using this keyboard on my iPad. I found it to be much better than Apple's original keyboard. I've been using it with my iPhone and iPad mini. I've got the white one and it looks much better too. Awesome product for iPad. We use like Mac. A perfect keyboard companion. Key press is good. It's not too deep, neither too shallow. The key size as well as key travel is adequate. The best part is its easy connectivity. Tip: Download the Logitech software from their website to customize the key controls. This product is very sturdy, heavy built, the keys are good. If you are planning for portable use, don't buy, but if you are planning for desk use, it's really a good deal. I really liked it, and as I use it to work from home, this is a good for my use. Awesome keyboard. Purchased immediately after watching YouTube desktop tour from Prasad. I cannot comment on battery life and durability, not yet completed 1 month also. After 1 year of usage. Pros: nice look, ease of shifting Bluetooth devices, shortcuts, bonus very helpfully for editing, works not of use for normal usage, battery lasts 2 to 3 months for medium usage. Cons: looks beauty. But when I got packed, box sealed was open. But, nice product, worth money. And also one thing I noticed, when you connected with your mobile, you can write with keyboard only, you cannot write from thumb on mobile if connected with keyboard. But this is minute point I noticed. Works well with Mac and Windows. Definitely recommend this keyboard. One call out: when using an external Bluetooth dongle to connect this keyboard to a desktop PC, be aware that the BIOS settings are no longer accessible since the required software initializes post the system boot up. Wonderful. Great to use with my iPad. This is no less than an actual laptop. No time delay in typing. Perfect product for this price. You should not expect more than this. The slot for keeping the iPad is very sturdy. Don't THNK again. Just go for it. This is a very well-engineered keyboard with a compact footprint and a wide range of wireless connectivity built in. It connects wirelessly with devices and no dongle. USB is supplied or required for the connectivity with new-gen devices including smartphones, tablets, and a computer which has Bluetooth such as an Apple Mac Mini. Click link in description for more reviews.